Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to kick off our presentation with an engaging look at how artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape across industries, education, and the next generation of entrepreneurs. Today's focus is on a compelling story titled, How a 21-Year-Old Built a Billion-Dollar AI Marketplace, published on December 2nd, 2025. This case offers insights into how AI is reshaping talent acquisition and creating competitive advantages in rapidly evolving markets. It's also a valuable real-world example for faculty to explore platform business models, AI-driven innovation, and youth entrepreneurship in the classroom. And for students, this story demonstrates how combining AI, talent, and perfect timing can lead to billion-dollar disruptions, a mindset every future manager should develop. So, over the next few slides, we'll explore why this case is a must-learn for students, faculty, and industry stakeholders alike. Let's get started. Let's dive into some key insights that really define our journey. First, timing and execution often outweigh experience. This means that acting at the right moment and executing effectively can be more impactful than simply having years of experience. Our current valuation is approximately $850 million and climbing, which shows how quickly we've scaled, under 2 years to be exact. We've built an AI-powered talent marketplace specifically for elite coders, connecting top talent with the opportunities they deserve. It's worth noting that our founder, Merker, started this venture at just 19 years old. The story gets even more inspiring. Adarsh Hiremath, an Indian-origin tech founder, has become one of the youngest self-made billionaires. He's just 21 years old and truly exemplifies how disruptive innovation and bold execution can redefine what's possible. This slide really highlights the core theme of disruption, showing that with the right timing and execution, even young entrepreneurs can create monumental impact. It's about challenging norms and proving that age and experience are not the only paths to success. If the best coders are hiding everywhere, AI has the potential to find and validate them much faster than humans ever could. This is what Merker calls our core insight, because the most talented developers are often undiscovered and underutilized. Validating coding skills, as many of you know, is a tough and time-consuming process. It can take weeks or even months to verify someone's abilities through traditional methods. This slow process contributes to what we call the verification crisis, where finding the right talent is just too slow. Meanwhile, the global demand for AI engineers is skyrocketing, and the supply simply hasn't caught up. We're facing a significant talent shortage that's costing companies billions. All of this points to a critical problem, one that calls for a smarter, faster solution. And that's exactly what we're proposing, using AI to bridge this gap and unlock hidden talent at a scale we've never seen before. Let's take a closer look at what Merker has built. First, we emphasize the importance of demonstrated ability over traditional credentials. In today's fast-paced tech landscape, practical skills are what truly matter. Next, we focus on skills over degrees, meaning we prioritize what candidates can do rather than just their formal education. Moving on, one of our key innovations is the automated recruitment process, which has successfully connected us with over 300,000 developers worldwide. This global hiring funnel allows us to reach talent everywhere efficiently. Then, we have our developer company pairing engine, powered by sophisticated algorithms. This system ensures that the right developers are matched with the right companies quickly and accurately. Following that, we've introduced instant matching, which significantly reduces the time it takes to find the best fit, making the hiring process much more agile. Finally, our AI-evaluated tasks replace manual review processes with automated coding assessments, ensuring consistent and unbiased evaluations. Overall, these are the building blocks of what Merker has created, an innovative, skills-focused approach that streamlines hearing and emphasizes real ability over traditional credentials. When it comes to our platform, credibility and trust are at the core of what we do. Our funding sources and brand reputation help us build confidence with both developers and companies. We leverage global network effects, meaning the more users we have worldwide, the more valuable and robust our ecosystem becomes. We also utilize a proprietary AI evaluation engine, which ensures that we're matching the right developers with the right projects efficiently and accurately. This creates strategic moats, unique advantages that protect our business from competitors. To provide flexibility and value, we offer premium developer access tiers, giving top-tier talent the visibility they deserve. For companies, we have subscription models that allow them to access our talent pool reliably, along with a commission structure on successful placements, aligning our incentives with theirs. Our revenue streams are diversified. We have over 300,000 vetted coders globally, which is a huge asset. Our developers benefit from AI-powered matching and validation processes, ensuring quality and speed. Our Merker platform is designed to meet the urgent need for skilled AI developers, helping companies find talent quickly and efficiently. Ultimately, our platform business model is built on creating a seamless, trustworthy connection between skilled developers and companies seeking AI expertise, fueling growth and innovation across the board. Let's take a closer look at the core of our valuation approach. As you can see, our valuation isn't based on existing revenues, but rather on the future potential of the company. This is a classic high-growth tech model, where the focus is on the possibilities ahead rather than the current numbers. We are approaching unicorn status, which means we're nearing a valuation of over $1 billion. Currently, our valuation stands at around $850 million and climbing. To fuel this growth and secure market dominance, we've secured significant capital through various funding rounds. For example, our Series B round is all about scaling operations, expanding our developer network globally, and strengthening our position in the market. Looking back, our Series A was a $25 million investment, which helped us build our minimum viable product and validate the market fit, crucial early steps for our growth journey. And of course, our seed round laid the foundation, initial funding that allowed us to get started and prove the concept. This funding journey is vital because it shows how each stage contributed to building a strong, scalable company, aligned perfectly with our overall theme of growth and future potential. Traditional recruitment firms have often overlooked this pain point, but that's where Merker comes in to make a real difference. We've eliminated those expensive HR intermediary layers that can slow down the hiring process and add unnecessary costs. This means greater cost efficiency for our clients, saving them money while streamlining recruitment. Our marketplace model is a game changer because it allows access to talent anytime, anywhere. No matter where the candidate is located, we can connect companies with the right skills, giving us a true global reach. Another critical aspect is skill-based validation. Instead of relying on guesswork or assumptions, we focus on verifying skills directly, which significantly improves the quality of matches and reduces hearing mistakes. And when it comes to speed, our AI-driven screening tools dramatically cut down the time to hire by up to 80%. That's a huge advantage in today's fast-paced market. All these points come together as part of our blue ocean strategy in action, creating new market space where we can stand out and win. It's about redefining recruitment and making it more efficient, accessible, and accurate. That's why Merker is leading the way in this innovative approach. Innovation truly thrives in the gaps that legacy players tend to overlook. It's about spotting inefficiencies and ruthlessly addressing them. From day one, I encourage thinking big. Remember, the market size sets the ceiling for what's possible. When you aim to solve global problems rather than just local ones, you open the door to exponential growth. That's where platform models come in. They grow much faster because they leverage network effects and scalability. Technology is also radically changing how we evaluate talent. AI is becoming a gatekeeper, helping us make smarter, faster decisions. And here's an important point. Timing and execution often matter more than experience. Sometimes, a fresh perspective and the right moment can outpace years of traditional experience. Age, it's no longer a barrier. I've seen incredible examples, like a 21-year-old with an MBA, proving that young entrepreneurs can have just as much impact as seasoned veterans. All of these ideas connect back to the core theme. Innovation is about being bold, leveraging new tools, and challenging old assumptions to create meaningful change. So here we see a young founder who's leveraging AI to really shake up a billion-dollar industry. It's a great example of tech entrepreneurship in action. Within just under 3 years, this startup has gone from seed funding to nearly hitting unicorn status, which is pretty remarkable. What's really interesting is how they've built a two-sided marketplace that creates network effects at scale. This means as more users join on one side, it attracts even more on the other, fueling rapid growth. Their platform business model is also notable. They've adopted a skill-first approach, which disrupts traditional credential-based hearing systems. Instead of relying solely on degrees or certifications, they focus on actual skills, making talent discovery more efficient and accurate. Speaking of talent, Mercer has redefined how talent is discovered by using AI as a competitive advantage. It's not just about matching jobs, it's about identifying potential and skills in a smarter way. All of this ties back to our overall theme of strategy and product innovation. These core ideas, disruption, leveraging AI, creating network effects, are key to understanding how this company is redefining its industry and staying ahead of the curve. Let's take a moment to reflect on some of the key insights we've discussed. First, why do young founders often succeed faster in tech entrepreneurship? Well, youth can bring a fresh perspective, a high level of energy, and a willingness to take risks that might slow down more seasoned entrepreneurs. This combination often accelerates innovation and adaptation in the fast-paced tech world. Next, we consider how MBA graduates can leverage AI to build similar marketplaces in other domains. The core idea is that AI can help identify market gaps, optimize operations, and personalize user experiences, making it easier to develop scalable solutions outside of traditional tech spaces. Moving on, we should think about whether Mercer's model can be adapted for non-tech jobs within India's gig economy. The answer is yes. By customizing the approach, focusing on skill assessments, and understanding specific industry needs, the same principles can help improve gig work quality and matching efficiency. Now, let's talk about the risks associated with AI-based skill evaluation. Fairness and bias are major concerns. If AI systems are not carefully designed, they might reinforce existing inequalities. Ensuring transparency, diverse training data, and ongoing monitoring are crucial steps to maintain fairness. Finally, how can AI revolutionize hearing beyond tech sectors? Many industries, like healthcare, education, and manufacturing, stand to benefit from AI-driven assessments, automating screening, and enhancing decision-making. The next wave of AI adoption could truly transform how we match skills with opportunities across various fields. All these points tie back to our overall theme, harnessing AI's potential responsibly and innovatively to unlock new opportunities in diverse sectors and empower the next generation of entrepreneurs.